Lala has just finished a portrait of her dog Winston, and you did one of Winston years and years ago?
Yeah, as a puppy, and it was a really silly, fun painting, but we decided we needed to have an adult picture of him.
Well, you know this looks fun.
Well, yeah, he is a fun boy. So he's Sir Winston. He's a retired show dog, and in England they call Winston Winnie, and that's morphed to Pooh. So he is now Pooh.
Okay. Well, Winnie, Winston, looks like he is ready for New Year's, and you're going to switch out your frames, switch the paintings. Well, looks really good. It's been fun to watch you do this.